Text wrapping is the name of the game, folks, and this is going to change your life. If you're using Google Forms so much and you are just having a hard time seeing some of that data rolling in with your questions, I'm going to show you a really awesome tool. This is called text wrapping. So highlighting all of those Google Form questions, you can come up here, and this is there's a line with an arrow and a line, and you are going to make it look like it's a wrap inside of the cell lines, and then it will wrap that. So anytime that you have long answers for your students, if you give them an essay to write in there, or paragraphs or sentences, and it's just not big enough for this tiny little cell, you can do that. Now, one other tip to level up is to click on the all, this magical select all, and to do that the same way. And so if anything was going into another page or another cell. So let me show you then if I bring this in. Okay, now everything is wrapped, everything tidy into here. Okay, so that is text wrapping. And really quick other thing is horizontal align. If you wanted to align things in the center, okay, you usually use horizontal align. But I'm going to show you right now. For instance, I will show you these because some of these take up a little bit more space. So I'm going to use the one right next to it, which is vertical align, and I'm going to pop that right in the center of the cell. So then as I'm looking through the data, things are centered nice and tidy as I move forward. And the other thing I can do is I can click on all of these cells and I can bring it in. And because I selected all of them, if I bring it in a little bit more, it's going to narrow all of them to that same size. You can then move it back if you choose, but that's going to move all of them that same width. So I'm going to Control Z back because I like this look. And that is all using text wrapping and alignment.